And I'll turn the record button on as I come in. There's Hefe. And I'm in an undisclosed location. I really can't tell you where I'm at. But this is the beginning of the new lab infrastructure. I need instrumentation, power supplies, and test equipment in order to get to the development phase of my work. And let's just take a quick look here at some of the equipment. I got a GW Instek bench multimeter here on top. I picked that up used on eBay. That was a very good buy. Down here I have a brand new 1 to 2 megahertz function generator, sine, triangle, and square waves. Here I've got a two channel oscilloscopes. One of them will be monitoring each end of the lab power supply. We'll have one here for monitoring input and output from the function generator into the amplifier out, and then we're going to use the amplifier to drive a tube. But these are the two generators. This is a RMS Fluke. This is a classic piece of electronics equipment here. It's an RMS differential voltmeter, and this is used for measuring radio frequency peaks and actual voltages on electronic equipment. And it's absolutely required to both measure the performance of this amplifier. This is a Krohn-Hite 7500 DC to 1 megahertz research amplifier, and I'm going to be using this amplifier to drive a power tube. Hold on for just a second, we'll take a look at that tube. Okay, we're looking at the 3500Z. That's a power triode tube that I purchased from RF Parts, and I have to give kudos to RF Parts for properly packing and shipping this tube. I've seen damaged tubes before because they didn't have double layer foam on around the glass envelopes. This was packed with foam with the tube inserted into the center, and then the box itself was placed into a larger box with foam peanuts completely surrounding the packing so that the tube arrived in immaculate condition. The purpose of this Krohn-Hite 7500 amplifier here is to drive the grid on this power tube, and then to drive the lab research I'm going to use the output from the anode terminal on this tube to go ahead and power laboratory development and research. So I just wanted to show you, it's going to be a while before I'm able to get this plugged in and at least to test the amplifier. I still have cabling to come in, and I need both 60 cycle power cabling, and I also need the radio frequency BNC coax cabling and some terminators in order to put this all together and plug it in and turn it up. I am going to measure the power requirements of all the instrumentation, because eventually this is all going to be driven by an off-grid power supply. So when I take it up to the lab building up on the top of Rattlesnake Bridge, all of this is going to have to be run off-grid. So I'll check in later.